Is Dr. Sivakamy, Assistant Professor and Faculty of Management, SRM IST, Ramapuram. So today we are going to see about CBDC, which is nothing but Central Bank Digital Currency. Otherwise, it is termed as Digital Rupee. Today we are going to explore the concept of Digital Rupee, why India is going for Digital Rupee, what are its benefits, and also how the CBDC, this digital currency initiative, is implemented. We are going to see today. We'll go into the session. Yes. So this is the logo of Digital Rupee, which is being announced by RBI, our central bank. This logo itself gives you a clear picture of what a digital rupee is. It's a cash, but in digital format. This e-rupee symbol can be used to denote the digital rupee. Coming to the overview, the digital rupee, EINR or e-rupee, is India's official digital currency issued by the Reserve Bank of India as a central bank digital currency. It offers features similar to physical cash, like convenience of use, guarantee of RBI, finality of settlement, etc. Yes, exactly. You can use it like your physical cash. May not get panicked. It gives the convenience of how we use our currencies as well as coins. Exactly the same features is available here. This e-rupee is stored in the user's digital wallet and can be used to receive, send money, and or make payment for transactions, just like any physical note. It aims to enhance the efficiency of transactions, reduce cost, and provide a secure form of currency. Especially, it is against this anti-money laundering (AML) and also combating the financial terrorism. These two are the main cases why India has taken this initiative. And moreover, it uses blockchain distributed ledger technology, which gives the end-to-end encryption and the security to use the digital rupee. So this digital rupee was proposed in January 2017 and launched in 1st December 2022 after two phases of pilot phases. So we'll see one by one. Before that, we'll see what is the need, why India is venturing into CBDC. India's interest in CBD is driven by multiple factors. First one is there is a need to revolutionize the existing financial infrastructure. Second, the RBI is vested with maintaining the financial stability and growth of Indian economy. Financial inclusion, financial literacy, financial stability, everything goes into this particular project. It offers potential improvements across various dimensions, including enhanced efficiency in payment systems, greater financial inclusion for underserved populations. Yes, it includes the underserved populations also, either with those who are in the remotest area, the unbanked population is being covered. And also it fosters the innovation in financial products and services. Right, it tells about the step India has taken towards reaching this digital currency. Actually, if we see in 1990 itself, India introduced the ECS, that is Electronic Clearing Service. That was the first step we had taken towards digitalization. The next, in 2004, it introduced real-time gross settlement. In 2005, NEFT, that is National Electronic Fund Transfer. In 2010, IMS, that is Immediate Payment Service. Then CTS, Check Truncation System in 2011. National Automated Clearing House, NAC, in 2012. And 2016, UPA was introduced as one of the initiatives in the FinTech. And following this, in 2022, CBDC, India has moved into ahead for launching the CBDC. So this is not only immediately it was launched, actually a pilot phase was done, and from its outcome, various refinements was fine-tuned and second phase was introduced. So first phase was in the December 1, 2022, where CBDC was rolled out in Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, and Bhubaneswar. In the second phase, subsequent phases, it was extended to Ahmedabad, Gangtok, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Indore, Kochi, Lucknow, Patna, and Shimla. So as of now, this information is from 2021-22. But right now, if we see, the retail pilot generated about 770,000 transactions was done through its various retail outlets. And out of this, 50,000 users were enrolled and they tried, and 5,000 merchants were involved in this pilot project. So the feedback was got from them, what is their expectation and what can be done to improve the CBDC digital rupee in India. So after getting this, the final, it was still India is an analysis stage only. So currently testing the use cases of person to person, that is P2P merchant as well as transaction is being carried on. So this slide gives the various currencies of digital rupee, either 50 paise and 1 rupee, not only coins, but rupee also 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500, and 2000. All these denominations were launched by RBI. It is similar to your physical cash, but still it is in the digital form. That is why it is called as a fiat currency. Yes, fiat currency is nothing but the currency. Fiat currency is all around the globe. It is termed as fiat currency only, which means it is backed by regulated authority. So in India, it is regulated by RBI. Actually, how this works? Why? See, what are the advantages of going for the CBDC is, first one is increase the transaction efficiency. It's very less. Cash handling cost is reduced. Enhanced financial inclusion. Each and every citizen of India is included in this particular initiative. Instant settlements, improved security, yes. Security features are more. Transparency in transactions and potential for programmable money features. So these benefits and features makes our CBDC the most profound one. Similarly, like India, various other countries are also into the CBDC implementation. We'll see one by one. Countries worldwide. Sand Dollar Bahamas became the first country to launch CBDC in 2020. And DCash, that is Eastern Caribbean Currency Union, launched its digital currency and became the first currency union to embrace blockchain. So these were the pioneers we can say. So apart from Bahamas and the Eastern Caribbean, China with its digital yuan, we can say they are the leaders. Very vast usage is being done by the China. European Union with its digital euro. They have begun implementing CBDC to modernize their monetary systems. These initiatives often aim to reduce transaction costs and enhance the efficiency of payment system. The digital currency vary in design, purpose, reflecting different national priorities and economic goals. According to their need, they design their use cases. First case study is about China, the digital yuan. It is represented by ECNY, whereas India digital currency is EINR. So China's digital yuan is one of the most advanced CBDC projects which is successfully implemented. So they have done extensive pilots and the retail sector were given much focus, and outcome of this is it is put to use for global use. It features extensive pilot programs. Yes, so potential in national and international use and trade and cross-border payments, everyone are resorting to digital yuan. So that's why they are very successful. The next one is yes, the Bahamas sand dollar. Even though they were the first one, but made most used digital currency is Chinese yuan. The sand dollar launched in October 2020 was the first successful CBDC launched. So their feature is first one is financial inclusion, which aims to improve financial inclusion across the archipelago. The mobile payments, it offers mobile-based payment system accessible via digital and adoption. Third feature is adoption. That means faces adoption challenges and infrastructure limitations in remote and the remotest areas. The third country is Nigeria. Their digital rupee is called as e-Naira. So they launched in October 2021. They had two challenges. Okay, while adopting the digital rupee, they had two challenges, which is nothing but lowest adoption rate and the low usage rate. Okay, so what the strategy they have adopted is first two initiatives they've done. One is awareness campaign about adopting the digital rupee and digital currency. So much of awareness campaigns were given and incentives were offered to the citizen who adopt the digital currency. So this way, they are they are enhancing the number of people adopting e-currency. Euro. So their cases is nothing but exploration, privacy, and interoperability. So they provide a digital alternative to cash and support innovation. Yes, still they are in the research stage, very, very nascent. And the Federal Reserve is researching the potential benefits and risk of a digital dollar. So the project is being handled by MIT in the name of Project Hamilton. Is there the CBDC. Have adopted this global CDC initiatives there. Much more, they are given importance for user privacy, need for regulatory clarity, and potential for financial inclusion. These are all the lessons what we saw from various other countries. So challenges such as cybersecurity risk, public acceptance, balance between innovation and regulation, all this needs to be addressed because still public have that dilemma whether to adopt to digital rupee or not. So acceptance of public is first and foremost in any initiative. So there has to be a balance. That's why CBDCs are undergoing experimentation worldwide. They concentrate on technological design, policy frameworks, and user adoption. With this, each and every country is bringing about important features so that the customers, the public are at ease in using the digital rupee. So coming to the conclusion, the digital rupee and the CBDC pose a transformative opportunities for the future of currency and monetary policies. They promise improved efficiency, security, and inclusivity of the financial system. But still, they require careful consideration of policy implications. And this is what we learn from the international experiences. So India is ahead, is marching towards the financial inclusion, financial stability. And so it's in the analysis phase, even though they have launched the pilot phase, two phases was launched. So we expect it to come out with profounding success where each and every industry, each and every corner of the citizen are being included for the successful implementation. Thank you.